because that person must know defensive driving. Omukona sembisia, Omukona sembisi okwaniswa. The person must know how to maneuver his ways and whisk the president away in a matter of seconds. Our friends in the NDC, they are like the devil, appear to evening. They know time is against them. So they are doing giddy. They want to kill, to steal, and to destroy quickly before Jesus Christ comes. And Jesus Christ is who? Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. They know their time is limited. And every little opportunity in Shona, they want to use it to make money. And that's the kind of people we voted for. And then let's ask ourselves, has the $57 million been released for this man? No. Is the tap flowing? Yes. So if we had released it, where would that money have gone to? Into people's pockets. He has forgotten that Volta Reg, as it were, that they left in 2017 is not the same Volta Reg again. Akufo-Addo came to give Adaklu people water. You remember that the chief of Adaklu was crying? The chief of Adaklu was crying that he had never seen tap water flowing in Adaklu before. And Akufo-Addo came. And that water project, the extension is what we are also enjoying in Ho. All thanks to Akufo-Addo. So Nyafi Nabekache say, oh, he has $57 million. So just telling you this to know the man. I'm giving you a background about the man. So follow me. Mami says that, yes, stealing whilst they will still have the goodwill. Yes, exactly so. Now, what is that? Friend Volta. I have Volta South 4, Anglo. The Anglos. They are being displaced by high tides. Nsio, Apunu, Epamomu. More than 5,000 people. As this says, good work, bro. Thank you so much. More than 5,000 people have been affected. More than 200 homes have been taken over by the water. And for 2 weeks, whilst this was ongoing, this was unfolding before our eyes. The president was quiet. The Volta regional minister was quiet. Okujeto was quiet. Their MP, Jifar Ablagomashi, was also quiet. It was as if their lives did not matter. The people of the southern part of Volta, their lives did not matter. Now, the people were also affected. No? They were also quiet. The reason they were quiet is say, Omunim say, Anka, MPP abai newa abai moa. And I say MPP party newa abai moa. Anka they can say, oh, MPP for no, Omumpe, I before ang na fasem. Enti na they did not come with relief items and all those things. But this time around, they are one party. One beloved NDC newa abai mo. And to it is a disgrace upon themselves. So they were quiet and they were suffering. Brad, they were suffering. No more MP. Now they are Volta Serene. Just about 1 hour 30 minutes away. Drive from where they are. Offrey Hano and Oko Akranso and Oko Chili. Right? And now Musungu because they cannot come out. You know, if they come out and cry, we will laugh at them. We will make fun of them. So they were suffering. They have been suffering. They are still suffering. So because pressure was mounting, and I tell you, this is where I saw the power of social media. I did that here with TikTok, be a heavy impact. A heavy impact. You see, Kevin Taylor came to respond to some of the things that have been addressed or discussed on MPP platforms on TikTok. So the pressure we mount on TikTok is very important. Let's keep mounting the pressure. So because of that pressure that I am mounting, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, oh, after celebrating, after giving the 1.5 million Ghana cedis to his party people in Accra, he will quickly rush to Volta Reg to come and see the extent of damage done. Okay. Now, when the Volta regional minister heard that, that the president will be coming the next day, then he also said, oh, he is going to the southern part of Volta. He's going to sleep in the open with the people to feel how it feels to be homeless. Charlie, these are the kind of politicians you have voted for. These are the kind of politicians you have voted for. So the Volta regional minister, okay, Honorable James Gunu, and for those of you who don't know him, Honorable James Gunu is a... Oh, I'm not good. Honorable James Gunu, no. Oh, no. He is a current regional secretary of NDC Volta region. Okay, and he has been appointed as the regional minister. when he got to know, say, on the 6th of March, President Mahama will be coming to Volta region, the southern part, to come and pay a courtesy call or visit the people. Then he also said, say, he's going to sleep, spend the night at the place on the 5th of March to see how it feels like to be homeless, number one, and also as a sign of solidarity, and then solidarity and support for the people. And I say, the voice, your people were dancing when the president came there. I'll get to all those things. Relax. Relax, mommy. Why? Yo. Now you ask yourself, if these are the kind of leaders, if these are the kind of leaders we are going to have as a nation over the next 4 years, then we are doomed. Do you know what this means? This means, if there's an issue and we are all crying, what is going to happen is that the leaders that we have, they will also join us in crying. They won't think about solutions, so they will join us in crying. Now, Volta Regional Minister, as you can see him there, claiming he's sleeping, pretending to be sleeping. Now on there, but before we call Okrano, you know the this pomade, the pomade that he used for against mosquito. Okay, he smeared it on himself. And I'll call yaza. Ukoda, nkofo amuda hono. Because people sleep on the outside. No, do they have that kind of shirt you are wearing there to sleep with? Omunya trousers shed. They were not able. Some of them were not able to pick anything. You've used anti insecticide pomade. You spend it on your body. And now you are sleeping by them to feel how it feels as a sign of solidarity. Mosquito repellent, thank you so much. Repellent, I'm not sure my Jimusami. When he was done, and I got in a V8. Now, do they have a cameraman? Do they have a cameraman to take their pictures? People who are suffering, you want to feel how it feels. No, cameramen no hear them. You went there with policemen. Policemen were guarding your body. Whilst you were pretending to be sleeping, policemen and national security officials, they were guarding your body. The people who sleep, who have lost their homes and co, do they have policemen and national security people to be guarding them? You see how they don't respect us. You see, NDC for Omumbuyo, especially here every Volta region, and Mugan to men. Omumbuye, they don't respect us. One, they think of us as fools. In their mind, saying, Jimmy. And that's what they think about us. They confuse us. They take all of us and put us in the same basket as their party support, party food soldiers. And I say, party food soldiers, Jimmy and once they come to power, they start treating all of us like their party food soldiers. But unfortunately for them, we are not their party food soldiers. We think, we reason. When we see something unfolding, we look beyond what is unfolding and we analyze. You are sleeping with security men around you, guarding your body. Or what be bad, they will see it and kill it quickly. Or mosquito repellent and now this smear body. Go for a more omunya repellent maybe. Do they have police service people to guard them? Some of them are being raped. Some of the people have been displaced by the water. They are being raped. Yes, because some of them are sleeping in the open. Most of them are sleeping in the open. They are being raped. Miss Jenny said that's why they are the ordinary people's party. Yes. Some of the ladies have had to move, young girls, they have to move from the southern part, and now they are sleeping in the rooms of boys in Ho and Ho and they rest because they don't have accommodation. And now the boys, they are sleeping, they are spending nights at their end. They are taking advantage of them. In November, you will reap the fruit. Yes, in November. So these are serious things happening. And yet, this kind of populist approach that you are going to spend the night in the open. And so what? Who regional minister? You were not able to go there with aid. Whilst we have a regional NADMO, constituency NADMO, when Akufo-Addo sent mattress and other staff to that place, Jifa Gomashi was shouting, say it was not enough. And then the regional minister we have went there empty-handed, okay, and then he went to sleep there and took picture and he left. That one that you people are not talking. No aid whatsoever. He just went to sleep. All right. So while this was happening on the sit match yesterday, Nani boss also, you see, show me your friend and I'll show you your character, who you are. The president also came yesterday. Now the president's coming. There are a lot of things we want to talk about. But Charlie, please, I'm talking too much. So please, time me from now, 10 minutes. Let me be done so that you can come in. Kindly time me, moderators, kindly time me. 10 minutes from now, let me know time up and let me let the guests come in. Whilst John Dramani Mahama was coming, the first time, okay, let me even speak about that last. He also came empty-handed. John Mahama came to the people empty-handed. The president was coming. There was no tipper trucks behind him of mattresses, of mosquito repellent, of mosquito net, nothing. He only came to see. The president, the first gentleman of the land, our last hope, Oga Patak, he also came empty-handed with a long convoy of V8, long convoy, plenty V8. He came with nothing for the people. And if you have seen the videos, you see this country, what is unfolding before our eyes, Charlie, we have to pray. I say bonfire. Always make catch the musasa obia boy dria. As a country, may sure say obia boy dria. The president went there empty-handed. John Mahama, His Excellency, he went there empty-handed. Then they fixed some few people, some few women, they let them sit down. And the president was greeting them. Now, once the president was greeting them, then Okujeto will come from the side, fold money in their hands, push it into the hands of the president, and the president will put it in the hands of the people, of the women. Can you imagine this? Fold the money, squeeze the money in the hand, push it into John Mahama's hand, then John Mahama, His Excellency, will put it under the cloth. Our president, the Oga Patapata, yes, on camera. Oh, you people have not seen the videos. It's on 1957 news. It is on 1957 news. Go there and go and watch it. Okuyeto was squeezing money, pushing it into the hands of John Mahama, and then John Mahama was giving it. We'll go and put it. We'll open the cloth, put it under. Say, we need a colano there. I am here. I on YouTube. I'll upload the video for you to see. But those of you whose contact I have, I'll send the video to you for you to see. That was what was happening yesterday. Such disgraceful thing. People are outside, homeless. You went there empty-handed. Empty-handed. Regional minister went first, empty-handed. Oga Patapata also comes, empty-handed. Sweet Sisi say you sound funny. I mean, me catch you there. I sound funny indeed. I know, pa. That is the reset you voted for. Akufo-Addo na ye we anka by now. Baumia na ye we anka by now. By now. But you see, when you anytime you can say you catch mami just say the same way. Smoothness level. Mahama came empty-handed. Okujeto has to be squeezing 2020 series into his hands to give to the people. Now, and they cry hot to vim break. What is saying? Hot to vim break. They say 22 series. Now, Okujeto squeezing 2020 series into the hands of Mahama. Now, the Mamwa. That respect. That is a sign of respect. That is an inhumane thing that you can ever do. The best thing is say, if you respect the people, I tell them, bro, if you respect the people, you put money in the envelope nicely, then you donate it to them. I say, munche, not squeezing money. That squeezing alone is an insult. Why is it a deal done on the black market? Is it a deal done on the black market? That is the reset you voted for. Now, me de pa, me de. So that is number one. Now let me finally speak. I have 4 minutes left. let me speak about the security concerns that I have. Let me speak about the security concerns that I have. And I have really genuine security concerns. Number one, Ibrahim Mahama. Ibrahim Mahama. Si je peux, olenyo revivia. Buleka yinam siya. Azui. Asoto. Ole nou poto o origin. Ko lebe na tore fimine no china globere. Nou ko wa menyori. Ole fimbe another gendarme, bro. Azui. Sorry about that. That's why I spoke away. So you won't understand. He understands. That's why I spoke away. Right? Let me go to the next thing. Ibrahim Mahama was the one driving the president of the republic. Now, Ghana, edi nema bi diagro. The president of the republic on official duty and his official vehicle being driven by his brother. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. Nowhere in the world. We've had presidents in countries that are twins. Twins. Even that does not happen. Can you imagine Donald Trump seated in the beast in America? Then the driver of the beast is his brother. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Not done anywhere. Because we have laws and we have standard procedures. The person who drives the president mostly is taken from NIB, National Intelligence Bureau. Right? Because that person must know defensive driving. Omukona sembisia, the person must know how to maneuver his ways and whisk the president away in a matter of seconds. All those things are considered. You don't just get up. It's just like saying, any pilot at all can fly the helicopter or plane in which the president travels. No, it is not done. Yadani Ibrahim Mahama, Elon Musk. We've turned him into Elon Musk. Yeah, that is the truth. Everything happening in Ghana now as a US photocopy is a serious breach of security. Because even before they move from Accra, even before they move from Accra, there will be security briefs. So you want to tell me Ibrahim Mahama was part of the security briefing? And under what authority? Under what authority? You leave the life of the president in the hands of his brother, Ibrahim Mahama. Now, what do our laws say about conflict of interest? What do our laws say about conflict of interest? I want to quickly get it for you. Article 284. It's straightforward. Oh, where did I put this? Article 284 of our constitution speaks about conflict of interest. Maybe in your own time, you should go and read it. You don't just get up. That is called serious conflict of interest. Aside the security part also, it's conflict of interest. What is the beef of Ibrahim Mahama? When John Mahama was an opposition leader, was Ibrahim Mahama driving him? Now that the president's life and everything that pertains to his life is accounted for by the taxpayers' money. Can you imagine if something happens to the president, God forbid, how much money we will spend? And nobody is able to call John Mahama to order. Nobody. And that is the reason why the Council of State Elections, now move for say it has become a puppet. Nobody can call him to order. And you see, the president also, and it goes to him also. Ya kache no se on tia Debbie ni openu obenya. Yeah. He started with what? We were told he was using the brother's plane. We told him security reasons is not right. Now he has moved from that to the brother driving him. To the brother driving him. Yes, sir. Yo, aswondeno, nusunfa sonsu woho. Thank you so much. My time is up. At this point, let me take your request. Let's have a conversation. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. Please, when you come up, let's stick to the topics. I beg you. Let's stick to the topics when you come up. If you come up and you bring your own topic, I'll drop you, please. I have every time I come live, I have an objectives to be met.